Hello, welcome back again to Lem's World. How are you today? I hope you're having an amazing one. So, we are back. How you been? Been good? I've been good. Have you been good for Santa coming? That's the most important thing. If you haven't been good for Santa coming, you're going to get a lump of coal. You don't want a lump of coal on Christmas Day. That you don't. Anyway, yes, we're back. We're back again. And this is, well, we're not a new band, but they're new to me. I'd never heard of them. They was recommended to me. Someone in the comments recommended them to me. This band is called In This Moment. And yeah, I have no idea what it's going to be like. It was when I can't remember which one it was the commenting on. I can't remember if it was one of the Falling in Reverse ones or one of the Ginger ones that have commented. But they have said that the lead singer is female, so I think it might have been on one of the Ginger ones. But hey ho. So this is what we're going to do. And if you've never heard of them out, if you are new to this band, let me know what you think to them and to this song that we're going to be reacting to them. And if you are already a fan of them, give me some suggestions more for this band or any bands that are similar to them. So yeah, so like I said, this band is called In This Moment and the song is called Big Bad Wolf. So I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Ooh. Freaky deaky this. I like it.
Even in this change, you can't stop me. Even in this change, you can't stop me. Even in this change, you can't stop me. Even in this change, you can't stop me.
So the visuals and this video is amazing. I mean, I'm no expert about, but to me this is amazing. And the slow build up to the everything just kicking in, the drums, the guitars, everything all kicking in, and it just grabbed you. And saying even in these chains you can't stop me, and then kicking it in. Yeah, so far so good. I like it.
I was upon the time that was a nasty little picky filled with pride and greed. I was upon the time that was an eagle little picky typical disease. You see this little pig is slowly becoming my own worst enemy. You see this eagle pig, she's a blah 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 fucking paranoid. That's the way I go, you go along with me. Anything you get is up because of me. Everything I do, you do along with me. No matter where you run, you're gonna hide from me. She's got a hold on me. Maybe she's just what they want me to be. Even in these chains, you can't stop me. Even in
I don't know whether it's subliminal meaning or anything, but it's like she's got a hold on me. She's got a hold on me. Maybe this is what they want me to be. Maybe it's not an actual person, but maybe it's like society is the she. Society's got a hold on me. We're saying maybe this is what you want me to be. Like society says, this is how you should be. Don't be doing all that. That's not how you should be. You should be like this. But at the end of the day, be you. Be you. Be whoever you want to be. Be you. Do what you want to do. Don't fall into the category of being what society says you should be. If you're not happy being that way that society says, but you're happy being the way you want to be, that's how you should be. You should be happy. Whatever makes you happy, do.
In these chains you can't stop me. I want you to let me in. I want you to let me in. I'm in everywhere that you be. I want nothing to lose and nothing to win. I want you to let me in. I want you to let me in. I'm already in these chains. 'Cause I'm the big dog who's never the games begin. You see, I am the wolf, and this dirty little piggy lives inside of me. You see, every now and then I forget which one I want and which one that I need. I have come to realize that both of them have become a necessity. And I have come to realize that every call with animal I choose to fly. Anything I say, you lie along with me. Every song you sing is all because of me. Anytime I cry, you always laugh at me. No matter what you do, you will belong to me. She's got a hold on me. Maybe she's just what they want me to be.
Whatever you do, it belongs to me. That's, well, no. Whatever you do, it belongs to you.
Even in these chains, you can't stop me. Even in these chains, you can't stop me. I want you to let me in. I want you to let me in. I'm in everywhere that you be. I want nothing to lose and nothing to win. I want you to let me in. I want you to let me in. I'm already in these chains. 'Cause I'm the big dog who's never the games begin.
I'm the big bad wolf and let the games begin.
Oh man, all this craziness, this can't get the fuck out of my head.
I scream there. Good.
I can't. Even with these chains, you can't stop me. Even with these chains, you can't stop me. Even with these chains, you can't stop me. Even in these chains, you won't break me. Even in these chains, you won't stop me. Even in these chains, you won't break me. Even in these chains, you won't take me. Even in these chains, you won't hold me.
Yes. Like oh, flipping neck. Yes, the scream, the passion behind. Oh, mate. I like these. I do like these. In this moment, I do like these. Please recommend some more. If you already are fans of these, please recommend some more. I want to see more. Only if you want to see more as well, obviously. You want to see more as well. Recommend.
Even in these chains, you can't stop me. I want you to let me in. I want you to let me in. I'm in everywhere that you be. I want nothing to lose and nothing to win. I want you to let me in. I want you to let me in. I'm already in these chains. 'Cause I'm the big bad wolf that let the games begin. 'Cause I'm the big bad wolf that let the games begin. 'Cause I'm the big bad wolf that let the games begin.
Yes. Thank you very much for recommending this band in this moment. Thank you very much. I mean, wow, that's amazing. She is a very, very, I don't know her name, but she is a very, very, very talented young lady. That she is. For me, she is anyway. For me, she is a very talented person. She most definitely is. So yeah, if you like that video, hit the like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Hopefully we will have more of this coming. So if you are into that, you need to hit that bell button so you're notified every single time we upload a new video. And don't forget to share. And yeah, like I say, leave your comments down below. And we shall see you again next time on Lem's World.